Welcome to a special series on our channel. We're about to uncover the incredible story of how Warren Buffett, one of the most legendary investors of all time, built his fortune. In 7 captivating segments, we'll delve into his life, strategies, and what made him an investment icon. 1. Early life and entrepreneurial spirit. Warren Buffett's remarkable journey commences in the heartland of America, Omaha, Nebraska. From an early age, his fascination with business and knack for entrepreneurship were evident. As a young boy, he embarked on various ventures, including a pinball machine business, which demonstrated his innate ability to turn a profit. Even then, he showed a unique combination of business acumen and an unwavering work ethic. These early experiences sowed the seeds of his future financial success. Buffett's entrepreneurial spirit was a precursor to the immense wealth he would eventually amass. It instilled in him the principles of value, hard work, and a shrewd approach to making decisions. His journey from a young pinball machine entrepreneur to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals is a testament to his dedication, his ability to learn from his experiences, and his keen eye for spotting profitable opportunities. Warren Buffett's beginnings in Omaha, Nebraska, paint a vivid picture of how a humble start, guided by passion and diligence, can lay the foundation for extraordinary achievements. His life serves as a perpetual source of inspiration, underscoring that the journey from modest means to boundless wealth is possible through unwavering dedication and an unwavering belief in one's abilities. 2. The Berkshire Hathaway era. A watershed moment in Warren Buffett's illustrious career unfolded when he assumed control of Berkshire Hathaway, originally a struggling textile company based in New Bedford, Massachusetts. At this juncture, Buffett, renowned for his extraordinary investment instincts, exhibited a unique ability to see potential where others perceived decline. This acquisition marked the inception of a transformation that would indelibly define his financial empire. Recognizing the waning prospects of the textile industry, Buffett orchestrated a strategic pivot, reshaping Berkshire Hathaway into a diversified conglomerate. Over the years, he exhibited unparalleled acumen in directing the company's resources into a vast array of businesses such as insurance giants like Geico, energy firms, beloved consumer brands, and substantial investments in well-established companies like Coca-Cola. This diversification became the cornerstone of his immense wealth. Buffett's ability to adapt and diversify within the confines of Berkshire Hathaway underscores his remarkable financial prowess. His strategic vision and unerring ability to identify opportunities for expansion played an instrumental role in creating one of the most significant and diverse business empires in the world. 3. The art of value investing. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy, the bedrock of his monumental success, is firmly anchored in the principles of value investing. At its core, value investing revolves around the strategic acquisition of undervalued stocks in well-managed companies. Buffett's approach is a masterclass in focusing on the fundamentals of a business. He meticulously evaluates a company's financial health, its competitive advantages, and its growth potential. But what sets Buffett apart is his unwavering commitment to patience and discipline. He's known for holding investments for the long term, often weathering market fluctuations with stoic resolve. This enduring patience allows the power of compounding to work its magic and multiply his wealth exponentially over time. 4. Moats and competitive advantage. Warren Buffett's legacy extends to popularizing the concept of economic moats. These moats represent the sustainable competitive advantages that safeguard a business from rivals. Buffett's ability to adeptly identify and invest in companies fortified by strong economic moats has undeniably been a cornerstone of his exceptional success as an investor. Economic moats come in various forms, such as strong brand recognition, cost advantages, network effects, or regulatory protections, and they create barriers that make it challenging for competitors to erode a company's profitability. By recognizing and valuing these moats, Buffett's investment strategy focuses on businesses with enduring competitive advantages, allowing him to hold on to investments for extended periods with the confidence that these moats will preserve and enhance the company's value over time. His commitment to businesses with economic moats highlights the timeless wisdom that enduring success often lies in seeking long-term value over short-term gains. 5. Philanthropy and the giving pledge. Warren Buffett's legacy is not solely defined by his extraordinary wealth, but also by his extraordinary philanthropy. He has made a profound commitment to giving back to society. Buffett, along with Bill and Melinda Gates, initiated the Giving Pledge, a movement that encourages the world's wealthiest individuals and families to dedicate the majority of their wealth to addressing societal challenges. This dedication to philanthropy underscores the importance of using wealth for the greater good. It signifies that, beyond financial success, the true measure of a person's legacy lies in their impact on society. By allocating the majority of his fortune to philanthropic endeavors, Buffett is leaving an enduring imprint on areas such as education, healthcare, poverty alleviation, and global development. His actions inspire a new generation of philanthropists, emphasizing the responsibility of the privileged to contribute to the betterment of humanity. Buffett's legacy reflects the notion that wealth, when employed thoughtfully and compassionately, has the power to catalyze positive change and make the world a better place for all. 6. Key takeaways and legacy. In closing this series, we're reminded of the invaluable lessons from the life and career of Warren Buffett. His journey encapsulates the essence of several key takeaways. First and foremost, it underscores the immeasurable value of knowledge. Buffett's voracious reading and lifelong learning are a testament to the pivotal role of education in his success. The power of patience stands as another cornerstone. Buffett's unwavering commitment to long-term investing and his ability to weather market fluctuations have reaped tremendous rewards. This exemplifies the idea that sustainable wealth is often built through steadfastness and not succumbing to impulsive actions. Ethical investing is paramount in his philosophy. Buffett's reputation for honest, transparent, and ethical dealings highlights the significance of integrity in the world of finance. His legacy is an enduring source of inspiration for aspiring investors worldwide, signifying that the principles of wisdom, patience, and ethics not only lead to financial prosperity, but also leave an indelible mark on the investment landscape and the world at large. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey through the life and strategies of Warren Buffett. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more engaging content. Stay tuned for our next series. And remember, the greatest investments start with knowledge.